Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft on your computer. First, you'll need to download the official Minecraft launcher from the Mojang website. This is your gateway to the game. Next, ensure you have purchased a Minecraft Java Edition license, which grants you full access to the game's features. Once downloaded, install the game by following the on-screen prompts, then simply log in using your Microsoft account to begin your adventure. Now, let's cover the essential controls. You'll navigate your world using the W, A, S, and D keys for movement. W for forward, A for left, S for backward, and D for right. To jump over obstacles or reach higher ground, press the spacebar. For stealth or to avoid falling, hold down the left shift key to crouch. Your mouse controls your view, and the left mouse button is used for breaking blocks and attacking. Crafting is fundamental to survival and progression in Minecraft. Press the E key to open your inventory, where you can manage all your collected items. Within your inventory, you'll find a 2x2 crafting grid. Here, you can combine raw materials like wood planks or cobblestone to create essential tools such as pickaxes, axes, and shovels, or even basic building blocks. Experiment with different arrangements to discover new recipes. Your first night in Minecraft can be challenging, so preparation is key. Before the sun sets, quickly build a small, enclosed shelter to protect yourself from hostile mobs that appear in the dark. Crafting a torch, using one piece of coal and one stick, will illuminate your shelter and deter creatures. Remember to find food sources, such as hunting animals or planting crops, to keep your hunger bar full and regenerate health.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.